Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about local variables and global variables. So before going to see about local and global variables, first of all, we have to know what is meant by a scope of variable. So scope of variable means it refers to the extent of the code in which a variable can be referenced. That means a variable can be accessed or modified. So the scope of the variable can be of two types, local variable and global variables. Okay. So local variables means the scope of that variables can be only within that function. That means the variables can be accessed inside the function in which they are declared. Next, coming to global variables means this variable can be accessed. That means the scope of these variables will be throughout the function. That means throughout the program, in all the functions within a program. Suppose if I have some 4 to 5 functions, in all those functions I can access that variable. That is called as a global variable. Suppose a local variable means in a particular function, if I declare any variable, that is called as a local variable. Then the scope of that variable will be limited to that function only. That is a local variable. Okay. So let me execute the code. Okay. On this local and global variables with example program, I will explain. Okay. So first go to Python idle. So here see. Def test. Here I am taking a test function. So here I am taking a variable a is equal to 10. Print of a. Next another function df of test1. Okay. A is equal to 20. Print of a. Okay. Now I am going to provide function call test, and next one is test1. So this is my program. So first save the program. So this is the example for local variable. Okay. So now run the code. So see here 10, 20. So here the output is 10, 10 and 20, right? So here the execution starts with this function called test. So the cursor goes to this function, right? So here a equal to 10. That means this variable is called as a local variable. Okay. So a is a local to this only, a equal to 10. This value will be, the scope of this value will be, this variable will be only to this block only, to that function test only. Okay. So a equal to 10, print of a, that is 10 value is printed on the output screen. Again it comes back to test1. Okay. The cursor comes to this function call. So again the cursor goes to that function definition. Now a is assigned with 20. So print of a means the 20 value is printed on the output screen. That means this a value, even though I am using the same variable a, but this a value scope will be a equal to 10. This value, this variable scope will be only to this function. Okay. And this variable scope will be only to this function only. Okay. So because these two variables are local variables, the scope of the local variables will be only to that function only. That variable can be accessed or modified. Got it? So that's about a local variable. Now let's see the execution of global variable. So go to Python idle. Open a new file. So see here I am taking a variable a. So before that I am going to write the comment in the comment section, example of global variable, right? So here I am taking a variable a equal to 10. Okay. So def of some test. So I am going to print the value of A. Similarly, def of test1. Now I am going to print the value of A again. So here in this test1, I am going to assign a variable A equal to 20. Okay. So let me save the code. So I forgot to make a function call test1. Okay. So let me run the code. So 10 and 20 is the output, right? So see here, A equal to 10. So this variable is declared outside the function, right? So such type of variables are called as global variables. Once you declare a variable outside the function, that variable is called as a global variable. You have to remember that. Okay. Within the function, if you declare any variable, that variable is called as local variable. Here A is assigned with 20, right? That is local variable. Because the scope of that variable will be only limited to that function only, right? So to test1 only, this A equal to 20, this variable scope will be there. But A equal to 10, this variable, as I declared it as a global variable, this scope will be throughout the program. In these two functions, I can use that variable, right? So see here, test function call. Okay. So once this function call is made, the cursor goes to that function and print A. That is, as here no local variable is there, that A value, as A is assigned with 10, that value is printed on the output screen. Next again, test1. Once this function call is made, the cursor goes to the function definition A equal to 20. And here I have A equal to 10. So to this function A equal to 20, this is local variable, right? So always the priority will be given to the local variable first, right? So print of A, that means 20 is printed on the output screen, not global value. This local variable value is printed on the output screen. So the output is 10 and 20. Okay. So that's about the global and local variable. The local variable scope will be only to that function only. But the global variable scope will be throughout the program. In all the functions, you can use that variable. Okay. Suppose if you have both local and global variable, the first priority will be given to the local variable only, to that function. In the absence of local variable only, that global variable comes to the picture. Okay. So that's about local and global variables. Thank you.